Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My group consisting of me, Nurfarzana Aliah, Naylie, Khairina and Faiqq from FC1 will be presenting about the automobile industry, focusing on two applications, which is the first is windshield of the car and second is the bumper. So first, for the introduction, windshield of the car are now made up of laminated glass. They consist of an invisible plastic film known as the polyvinyl butyrol sandwiched between these two glass sheets. The PVB are a random to polymer. It also contains a minor amount of vinyl acetate. When two or more chemically different monomer units alternate along the linear chains, the resulting copolymer is called a terpolymer. The toughness of this glass can withstand repeated strikes without any damage, which eventually allows this glass to be extremely shatter resistant. Even if the impacts are extremely hard, the PVB interlayer keeps the glass together and prevents any forced entry. Next is the process of polymerization for PVB laminated glass. It actually comprises of 4 processes, but I would like to focus on the third process, which is the autoclave. The film undergoes a polymerization reaction in which the heat activates the chemical cross-linking agents in the PVB resin, causing the polymer chains to bond together and forming a transparent and flexible interlayer. Laminated glass is a unit consisting of at least 2 glass panels and 1 intermediate layer. Next, we move on to the characteristics of PVB laminated glass. There are various other characteristics, however, I will be emphasizing on the 3 aspects. First is in the aspect of strength of this film. Laminated glass is very strong because it is able to withstand the shear impact and prevents the window from falling. This strength of the glass, which comes from the interlayer of the PVB, makes this film to be 5 times stronger compared to the standard glass. Instead of shattering when something hits the windshield, a chip or crack will form in the outer layer of the windshield. Second is in the aspect of UV control or performance. The PVB film can absorb more than 99% of the UV or ultraviolet rays. This prevents the furniture and plastic products from fading, aging, and also creates itching in drapes and furnishing. Lastly is in the aspect of durability, in which laminated glass or PVB is highly durable, which retains its color and strength. It can actually be used for a wide and plethora range of the interior design applications such as floor glazing, steps, and balconies.
The polymer also have their own advantage to the society, economy and environment. For the society, it is anti-theft because of the interlayer is firmly adhered to the glass, so it can maintain its integrity. After that, for the economy, it is more cost-effective production because a production process involves sandwiching a layer of PVB interlayer between 2 or more glass panels, and we can subject them to the heat and pressure. Finally, for the environment, it is more energy saving because of its ability to block heat is higher for the limited glass constructed with dark, low transmission PVB film of the same thickness. And for the environment also, it is more resistant to weathering because of it can shield from this harmful ray. And we need to thankful to the polymer because of the layer that can resistance to weather.
Bumper is made of polymer called polycarbonate. Polycarbonate is so resistant to impact that it is often used for car bumpers. This kind of car plastic is highly resistant to weathering, able to handle conditions from rain to snow to heat and cold. Polycarbonate is also lightweight, so it reduces a car's overall weight, which in turn improves vehicle and fuel efficiency. Polycarbonate is typically produced through a reaction between bisphenol A, BPA, and phosgene. Although there are other methods as well, in this process, BPA is reacted with phosgene in a solvent, typically methylene chloride. This reaction forms a polymer chain, resulting in polycarbonate. The polymerization process created long chains of repeating units, giving polycarbonate its unique properties such as transparency, strength, and impact resistance. After polymerization, the material is typically processed into bumpers or other forms for various applications. So what type of polymer polycarbonate is? Polycarbonate is a homopolymer, meaning it is composed of repeating units derived from a single monomer. In the case of polycarbonate, the monomer is bisphenol A, BPA, which undergoes polymerization to form the long chain characteristic of polycarbonate. So what is the characteristic of polycarbonate? Polycarbonate have impact resistance. Polycarbonate bumpers can withstand impacts without cracking or shattering, making them ideal for protecting vehicles from minor collisions or bumps. Polycarbonate is flexible. They have a degree of flexibility which allows them to absorb and distribute impact energy, reducing the risk of damage to the vehicle's frame or other components. Polycarbonate is resistant to weather. Polycarbonate polymer are resistant to various environmental factors such as UV radiation, moisture, and temperature fluctuations, which help maintain their appearance and performance over time. Did you know polycarbonate bumpers were first used in racing cars due to their lightweight and impact resistance properties? Polycarbonate bumpers can also be easily colored during the manufacturing process, allowing wide range of customization options to match vehicle aesthetics.
The polycarbonate also have their advantage to the society, economy, and environment. The advantage of polycarbonate to the society is we can enhance the safety. It is because the polycarbonate bumper can provide better impact absorption. So it can something like reduce the severity of injuries in accident. For the economy, we can do innovation and differentiation. It is because we can more innovative bumper design and enabling automakers to differentiate their vehicle, so it can command premium price and boosting profitability to manufacture. Recyclability. So this can reduce the demand for virgin material and minimize waste generation, which can promote a circular economy. After that, we can extend the product lifespan. As we know, if we can recycle the product, so we can reuse it and can make it to be a more better design, and therefore it can also extend the lifespan of the vehicle. As for the conclusion, for the PVP, or we can call it as polyvinyl butyral, overall, I can say that PVP limited glass play a crucial role in enhancing vehicle safety and comfort for drivers and passengers. And for the conclusion for the polycarbonate, I can conclude as polycarbonate is playing a growing role in modern vehicle design, which can contribute to improve performance, safety, and sustainability. Thank you.